In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide columns in Microsoft Project. If you're used to Excel, you might look for an unhide command and wonder why you can't find it. In Microsoft Project's desktop app, hiding a column simply removes that field from the table in your current view. The data isn't deleted, it's just not being displayed. To make it visible again, you reinsert that field into the table, and the column returns with its values intact. Start by making sure you're in a sheet-style view where columns are shown, such as Gantt chart or task sheet. These views present your data in a familiar grid, so you can see and manage fields as columns. Once you're there, decide where the missing column should reappear. Right-click the header of the column that sits immediately to the right of the spot where you want the hidden column to come back. This matters because when you insert a column in Microsoft Project, it appears to the left of the header you right-clicked. From the shortcut menu, choose Insert Column. You'll see a list of available fields. This list represents all the data fields that exist in your project, including the one you previously hid. Scroll through the list and click the name of the field you want to show again. As soon as you select it, Project places that column into the table at the chosen location and your data reappears. That's all it takes to restore a hidden column. A quick note on what's happening behind the scenes. You're not recreating anything. You're simply telling Project which field to display in that position. Common fields like start, finish, duration, or %complete are all available here, along with any custom fields you've set up. If you've been working with multiple views or tables, remember that columns are view-specific, so you'll repeat this process in each view where you want the field to show. Here's a helpful tip if you accidentally hid the Add New Column placeholder. If you realize the mistake before you've saved and closed the project, you can use Undo or press Ctrl+Z to bring it right back. Undo is the fastest way to recover from that specific hiccup. And that's it. By reinserting the field, you've effectively unhidden the column and restored your table layout. This approach keeps your project data safe and your view clean, and it's the same simple method you'll use anytime a column goes missing.